Alright, guys, we got William here. He's going to do 2 boxes. Brand new Playbook Football 2015. This is our first look at it. Good luck. May the Mariota Winston be with you. Gurley. Do it. Alright. So here is Joe Montana, Dwight Clark. Like a base booklet. It's like a little fold. Alright, we got 2 books here. First one is Stephon Diggs, Maryland Terps. That one is numbered to 199. And number 24 of 25. Nice looking piece right there. Monty Ball, 3-color. Monty Ball. Here, I'll show the base card. Number 2, 199. That should be kind of cool if those were autographed. I don't know if they have autographed versions of those. The catch. Figure out what kind of a top loader to put that in. Guess it would fit into a 100-point. And box 2. Alright, so we got Arian Foster and J.J. Watt. Then we have a draft edition jersey, Devontae Parker. That's numbered to 199. First book, set these down. Rookie Garrett Grayson. And that's got ink on it. Nolan Saints. And number 299. Booklet of Jordan Matthews. Where's Cord? He'd like that thing. Alrighty. And that'll do it. Appreciate it again, buddy. I will get it right out to you.